What up, Brian Tong here, and a new Apple announcement means, guess what, we're gonna get some new goodies. But Apple's hottest product outside of the iPhone is absolutely the Apple AirPods, and this video is everything we know and have heard about them before Apple's keynote. But let me be clear, the AirPods are a very, very good product. I've said that from day one, and there's plenty of ways for them to get even better with the AirPods 2 to make them a product that I can maybe finally get 100% behind. All right, one thing we can definitely count on, Apple teased an updated AirPods case with wireless charging over a year ago. So it's pretty much a no-brainer. We'll get the new AirPods with this new wireless charging case, which is also compatible with the AirPower Mat. And that would be a nice little, 1-2 combo. Whoop-ah! I did that for you, right? That Apple, they could drop on us together with the AirPods, but Apple could also sell the charging case completely separate for current owners. All right, so let's jump into what else other people are talking about with these next-gen AirPods. Bloomberg has reported they'll get an all-new W2 chip for better Bluetooth connectivity and could also support an always-ready, hands-free Siri, where you could say the magic words instead of physically pressing on them and pushing them into your ears. Like, I've never really used Siri with AirPods, but for people that do, it will be nice. But again, I don't want to beat it to a bloody pulp here. Siri still needs to get a whole lot better. The W2 could also bring better battery life by making the AirPods more energy efficient. The new AirPods could bring better water resistance. They aren't officially sweat-proof yet, but people, right, they run with them all the time and they're doing just fine. They've even been submerged in water and still work, but there hasn't been any official waterproof rating just yet. And the biggest new rumored feature is active noise canceling for the AirPods. If Apple can bring any level of decent noise cancellation, they instantly take these up another level from a feature standpoint. Now, we won't see any kind of new redesign unless they completely throw us for a curveball, and Apple doesn't need to right now. But one major thing they can do to make these better that I've really asked for since day one is to add more touch control to the stems of the AirPods, like swiping up and down for volume or even changing tracks on another one. I know the taps do work, but you have to tap hard enough for it to register. It can be inconsistent, and then you end up just trying multiple times or pushing the AirPods into your ears where there's a point the interaction just isn't comfortable, and then you just go to your phone. I mean, that's what I do. Now, they can absolutely do better here, and yes, I did originally destroy how they looked when they first came out, and I still don't love how they look, but I'm not going to keep on hammering on that because, you know what? I've grown up and I've matured because this still looks really cool. Now, we don't know the official price point either, but again, we'll find out everything at Apple's keynote on September the 12th, and you can follow along right here on my YouTube channel with me for my epic live stream starting at 8:30 a.m. presented to you by TCL, and we're doing some epic TV giveaways. No one else is even coming close. So if you like what you see, thumbs up, subs up, and you better notify. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Take care. Peace.